Hey everyone, so welcome back to my channel. So today we have another plan with me for the week of February 12th, aka Valentine's Day week. So I have a really cute Valentine's inspired kit to use this week. It is from the shop Murdoch Talks, which has super cute stuff, and their processing time is pretty quick too. But this is the kit I'm using. I don't remember what it's called, but it's just a really cute, pretty obviously Valentine's-y kit. You have full boxes, date covers, glitter headers, your little icons. You have your little things and half boxes, check boxes, more little things, your washi, all sorts of good stuff. So yeah, let's just get into it. So I'm first going to start with the washi, and the washi in this kit is so cute because it looks like chocolate covered strawberries, which honestly, not my fave. Just because I'm not a big like chocolate and fruit kind of person. Like if you give me an edible arrangement, I'll be appreciative, but I'd rather just have the chocolate. But they look really cute. However, ironically, I do really like strawberry cakes and stuff. It's just not chocolate and strawberries like the actual fruit. I don't know. I'm weird. So let's move on. Oh, and I didn't even show you last week's spread. So this is what it ended up looking like. Really cute. I kind of gave up at the end of the week on actual planning, but like this side looks really good. But I do really like how the kit looks, and I think it's really cute. So I kind of want to do a similar layout, kind of staggering the full boxes. So I think that's what we're going to do. So I think I'm going to have this one be the quote box, and then we can stagger the rest around. Maybe. I don't know. I think that sounds like a good plan. So we'll just, go for it and see what happens. So I'm going to start down here. And I think we'll just do glitter headers because, I mean, why wouldn't you? They're pretty dang cute. Okay, so now I'm going to do my to-do list, and I'm going to use the ribbon checklist just because I feel like the full box checklists are a little busy, especially with how busy the full boxes are. So we're just going to do it with the checklist, and I think it'll look good that way. And I'm going to try and kind of coordinate the colors. We'll see what happens. And I'm just going to finish up with some headers. I think I'm just going to do it with the ones at the top though, just to kind of, cap things off, if you will. Alrighty, so let's move on to the sidebar. So we are going to do this love right up here. Very cute. I like it a lot. And then underneath, I'm going to take one of these little headers. I guess I'll do the this week header. And I'll just pop that right underneath it. And this is where I like to do kind of like a weekly tracker or a day-by-day full box, whatever you want to call them. And let me see if I can find one in the kit. I know there was one. I just saw it. Maybe, oh, yep, over here. So I'm going to take this one that goes Monday through Sunday, and this is how I like to track my work hours. So then we're going to do that. Also, sorry if my voice sounds kind of funny. I feel like I've been talking a lot, and I might be getting a little sick, so don't mind that. So now I'm going to do 2 habit trackers. Sorry, my camera cut off, but I'm doing some habit trackers. This kit comes with 2, and I'm going to use both. Also, Tyler's doing some dishes right now, so if you can hear some clamoring, that's what that is. This kit also comes with 3 box checklists, so I'm going to do that as well. So I'm going to do one for goals, and then I'll do one for next week in case there are any appointments or anything that come up. And I think I'm just going to cap things off with a little bit of a glitter header just to kind of cover up that line at the bottom and just, you know, cap things off. I think that looks really, really nice. Now before we start filling everything in, I'm going to do my date covers. I think I wanted to use the more crazy ones because, I don't know, I just kind of like them. I have no idea if they're going to look the best, but I feel like this is already kind of a crazy kit, so we might as well stick with the theme. And I'll do the actual date inserts, like, you know, 12, 13, 14 later, because I like to do those with tweezers because my hands or my fingers are a little too big for these teeny tiny letters. Usually I like to have a pair of tweezers around me when I'm filming these, but today I am not very prepared. I was gonna say it's been one of those weeks, but it's only Monday. But it's been one of those like past couple days where things just don't quite go as planned. So I'm a little all over the place. Don't mind me. Okay, let's start filling things in now. So first we'll start with TV because I got lots of TV going on. So today I actually have 2 things to watch. And of course they're at the same time, but I will make it work. So first we're going to watch The Bachelor because obviously, and this week is supposed to be a really, really good episode. And then Celebrity Big Brother also comes on. And then for Tuesday, I think Celebrity Big Brother comes on again. I don't know. The season has been like kind of all over the place and I don't even know what's coming on when. But I'm trying to keep up. So I think it comes on Tuesdays. If anybody knows the schedule, let me know because I can't keep up. I have to do laundry tomorrow because let's just say my pile has gotten totally out of control. But I feel like that's what happens. Like you blink or you miss a day of laundry and it's just out of control. And I wear like the same like 10 outfits. So I don't know what's going on. Let's see, what else can we do? What else can we do? It looks like on Thursday I am due to give Bentley her flea and tick medicine. So I'll do the little paw print right there. Because, you know, can't forget that. That could be no good. And I think Big Brother comes on again on Sunday. But I think there's another day because the season is so short. I just don't know what day it is. Heck, it might not even come on tomorrow. I know it comes on today. I don't know. I'll figure that one out later. Maybe it's on Friday. I'll just go ahead and do one on Friday. Just in case. I think that's what it is. Could be wrong though. And I think that's good for now. I'll leave some space in case, you know, something crazy happens. But now I can go ahead and work on some full boxes and stuff. I think I want to do more of a white space kind of thing, so leave, you know, more white space obviously. So I'll just go ahead and mark the important stuff. So like my filming days, I will mark, I'll do this one right here for tomorrow, and I'll do it to cover that line up top. Be a filming day, and then on Thursday it will also be a filming day, and I will use this pretty floral one that kind of goes with the colors of that day. I also have a HelloFresh delivery, and there's this really cute half or quarter box that has little forks in it, so I feel like that's pretty appropriate, so I will put that right here. Leave a little bit of space in between. And then Thursday, I think I'm going to go shopping with my friend Anna. So I will mark that down so it's like officially official. I'll just mark that down right there. And this kit does come with some cute little icons and stuff, which we'll play with in a second. And I guess that's really everything that's going on. It's a pretty quiet week. Wednesday is Valentine's Day. I don't know if we're doing anything because I have a feeling every restaurant in town besides like McDonald's has like reservations booked. So maybe I'll see if Tyler wants to like cook something for me. That'd be pretty nice. So I think I'm just going to go ahead and add a few full boxes just to like cover my bases, if you will. You know. I actually forgot to include Bentley's vet appointment up here, so I'm just going to do that at the top because it is kind of like first thing in the morning. Not really, it's at 11, but it's like the first big thing I'm going to do that day, tomorrow. So I'll put that right there, and we'll just kind of, you know, go with it as we please. Let's see if we can do any of these stickers. I have the weekend banner, so I will do that over the weekend, even though I'm working all weekend. Shocker. It's not payday, unfortunately. She does have some cute little flags. I always forget to put these down before... Ooh, that was crooked. It's fine. Before I do my date covers, but luckily these stickers come up pretty easy, which I greatly appreciate. And I'll just layer... Ooh, that's real bad. I'll just layer them like so. Perfect. Let's see, she has a laundry day, which I guess I have denoted already. She has just all sorts of little stuff. Date night. I think I'll do a date night one over here because I'm sure we'll do something. We'll see. We'll see. I'm pretty easy to please, and I also hate crowds. So the idea of actually going out for Valentine's Day is not appealing for me. Let's see. Workout. That's not happening. Garbage day is Thursday. That's important. I'm going to put that down. I'm going to put that down right here because it does need a whole square. But I do need to make sure the trash goes out that day. This kit does come with a cute little planner, so I'm going to put that down for Saturday. Because I do ideally like to do these on Saturdays. It doesn't always happen, but I feel like if I put in my planner for Saturday, it's more likely to happen versus if I don't. So we'll see. Maybe this week will be the week. And I guess that's really everything for that. So I'm going to go ahead and kind of pop in a few icons. So I'm going to do this little doctor's one up here for Bentley's vet appointment. Because she does have to go to the vet again. So sad. Yeah, I'm going to do this little box over here for my HelloFresh because that is being delivered tomorrow. You know, I'm going to set a goal for myself to finish this kit that I've been working on, and I want it to be done, let's say by Friday. Let's say Friday, new kit release. Get excited. It's going to be a cute like summery kit. I think you guys are really going to like it. And you know, I think that's basically it for now, but I'll keep this just in case something else comes up. Okay, so I was going through my little sticker collection right here, and I found this little sampler set from White Deer Stationery. It was from their Black Friday, like, exclusive, so it's a really nice sampler set. So I think I'm going to include this really pretty wine bottle that is a gold foil, because I am going to help myself to a glass of wine for my bachelor viewing, and it's going to be kind of like my me time because I do have tomorrow off, which is nice. And it comes with a cute little Sephora bag, and I'm going to put this down for my shopping day because we're going to Sephora. That's going to be like stop number 1. So get excited. And I'm trying to see if there's any other cute little icons I can put down. I don't need to get my nails done at any point. I need to get my eyebrows done. I tried to do that. I'll make an appointment for tomorrow. But I think that's everything from this little kit. And in case you're wondering where I got this little pouch, it came with my Erin Condren order. So that's pretty dang helpful, if I do say so myself. And I think that's everything for this week. I kind of like how this turned out. I haven't done more of like a white space spread in a while. Because I mean my last few, I guess this one's kind of similar. Take back what I said, but like compared to like this one, which I love, but I feel like this is nice and fresh and fun, which is good for the holiday. So yeah, I guess that's everything for this plan with me. I'm sorry if it was a little bit more quiet than normal. I'm kind of tired. I'll be honest, I'm a little tired. I'm ready to sit down and watch Big Brother and obviously watch The Bachelor and have a glass of wine. That is everything for this week's plan with me. I hope you guys liked it. If you're interested in checking the shop out, I'll link it down below. Yeah, that's everything. Alright, bye y'all.